Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and on this video I'm going to show you how to add music on your WhatsApp status. So if you open your WhatsApp status, this is actually a new feature. Make sure you actually update your WhatsApp to make use of this particular feature. So go to update area and try to upload on your status. So you can select any image that you want. Let me choose this for a minute. And you can notice on this top area where it's written this music icon, you click on that. Now automatically it's going to give you all of the music available. And if you cannot find anyone you want, you can actually search for the artist right here. So I'm going to say Sean. So this is Sean Paul, and I think yes, this is the artist that I want to see. So choose the artist you want to see, and then you choose the song. I am going to select this, and the song is going to play. And once the song play, and if you are not satisfied from the version, if you are not satisfied from the area that is playing, you can actually move this to actually move to some area, and then you test it. So you move to the area where you want, and then you confirm that you want that, and if you are okay with that, you click on done. Now if you click on done, the music has been added and you can click on send. So this has been sent and is actually being sent. So if you are making use of the second device, it's still sending. If you are using the second device now, on the status you can actually see the music, but this is still sending right now. So let me see. Okay, it has actually sent. I think it is now successful. So on this area, you can see the music right here. If you click on the music, the music is going to start playing. Now, when the music starts playing, pay attention to this top area. You are going to see the name of the artist. Now, if you see the name of the artist, click on this forward arrow right here. Now, if you click on the forward arrow right, you can see the name of the artist displaying the name and the icon and everything. Name of the artist and also name of the song. So you can now choose to actually re-upload that particular status. That is, if the person send it to you, or you create your own status making use of the same audio. So I hope this is helpful, guys. If it is, don't forget to smash like, and I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.